Cam Scout is still in the Vantana 4037. There's so many features in here to bring to you, we just got to keep going with it. This model's a bath and a half, so what you're going to notice here is a half-hinged door. And what that's allowing you to do is when that main slide is in, you can actually get into that bathroom no problem without hitting this onto your fridge. Speaking of fridge, we got a full residential fridge sitting right here. Again, just like at home, it's like you're not even on the road. As we go back into the bedroom, we're going to walk right by our beautiful king-size bed and all of our full wardrobe closet storage here. This unit is equipped with a slide right from here to the very front of the coach. This is a full wall slide coach, giving you the maximum floor space you can possibly get into a coach. Something you definitely need to have on the road. And then of course you come back into this ensuite and we've got this beautiful shower set, just making you feel like you're right at home. Absolutely stunning, stonework on the wall. And then again, back in this corner right behind us, a washer dryer. That takes us to the end of our Vantana. Again, it's Cam Scouten from Travelland RV. Come check us out at tlrv.ca. We'll see you soon.